Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 65 Plymouth Satellite. This car is beautiful. Paint on it is great. You can see the reflection of the clouds. The trim is nice. I mean, the bumpers look good. Whole grill section looks good. V8 emblems, American Racing with 16-inch wheels on it. Yep. Up front's 225 55 16s. Interior's in very nice shape. I mean, this car is nice enough to show. I know it was in a show last week from the previous owner before he traded it in. So, automatic, power steering, manual brakes. Look how nice that door shuts. Trim's just in nice original condition. Great shape. The wheels on the back are 245 50 16s. So not much pitting anywhere. Just a great car. I mean, I can't show you a lot of flaws because whoever did the paint on it did a nice job. I mean, so it's like I said, it's car nice enough to show and definitely above average drive. So have you seen the pictures underneath? Nice dry car. No rust issues. Carpet's in good shape. Of course, dash is good. Put an aftermarket stereo in it. Gonna start up our 65 Satellite. Runs like a watch. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. You can see the gauges work. The fuel gauge, and hear the stereo. There's your blower motor. Wipers. Turn the lights on, so everything works on the car. Got American Racing wheels, manual brakes. I do have another master cylinder that's a dual master cylinder. He just put a new carb on it. Power steering. There's your headlights. It said runs like a watch, 318 in it. Dual exhaust. So just a cool mid-60s Mopar convertible. I'll run the top up. See, obviously it works. It went down. So there you can see it going up. Driving our 65 Plymouth Satellite. See, we're just going over 50. Half tank of fuel. Obviously a little wind noise because I have the top down. That's how you're supposed to cruise in convertibles. So. Older gentleman in our area here in Brookings had it, traded it in on a Bel Air I had. So nice car. He just put it in a show, and so it's nice enough to show. Well, it's actually a show and shine. They don't do trophies in Brookings anymore. So, but that night, nice enough, and you know, a little more unique being a mid-60s Mopar. But goes down the road great. I'm using one finger to drive it. So 60 miles an hour. Power top, power steering, automatic, 318. Dual exhaust, American Racing wheels, nice setup. Look at the paint shine on the clouds right there. So if you're looking for a very nice car, this one will fit the bill. Not a lot of issues with it at all. Definitely above average driver quality. So puts top down this summer and have a little fun. 605-695-7391.